In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the oil life reset on this Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's get into it. We're going to reset the oil life. You're going to push on the side of the cluster this button that says set, and there's a 00. That's the trip button. Hold that down, and then we're going to turn the vehicle in the on position with the engine off. So don't step on the brake. Make sure you have the key in the car. We'll just push this once, and then you want to release the button on the side of the cluster, and it'll ask you on the dash if you want to reset. You just push the OK button, hit OK, the service has been reset. At this point, you can shut the vehicle off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.